clear that we're now in a dengue outbreak. The dengue type 2 strain is the most prevalent strain right now. The last time this was predominant was in 2010. What this means is that persons less than 14 are more likely to be affected. Dengue type 2 is known to produce a more severe illness. In addition, because persons would have been exposed in 2019 with dengue type 3 or 4, they will now get dengue type 2 as a secondary illness. And secondary dengue is also known to produce a more severe illness. In 2019, our children were affected severely by dengue, and many of them passed. Now, a lot of those deaths was caused by the use of medications such as ibuprofen, diclofenac, and medications called non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs to treat fever. These medications either cause bleeding or worsen bleeding. I'm asking all parents, please consult with your pharmacist. Use only medication, paracetamol or acetaminophen. Use tepid sponge to lower the fever, and if that works, then you don't have to go to medication. But again, I stress, avoid ibuprofen, avoid diclofenac or other non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. For the most part, dengue is a mild illness and can be treated at home. However, persons have to be aware of the warning signs that say that you're going to go on to severe dengue. Severe dengue tends to happen after the fever subsides and you have a persistent of not feeling well, in particular abdominal pain and vomiting. If this happens, then you must seek advice from your doctor. You must either visit the health center, your private practitioner, or the hospital. If your symptoms are severe, then you must go to the emergency room. I'm asking that persons do not rush the emergency departments because the severe illnesses need to go to the emergency departments. And if we crowd the emergency departments, it will delay care, the time to care for these persons that really need to be there.